Hello besties, I am on my way to go get a lash lift, so I thought I would vlog my day. I have to head over to my lash lift appointment and then I'm gonna clean and I have to pack for my cabin trip. I am leaving tomorrow, so I wanna get that ready so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. And then yeah, it's just a 3-day trip, not even, so it's nothing crazy that I need to pack. I just want to have everything because I don't know about you, but I'm an anxious packer or an anxious traveler. Like, I literally overpack. I act like there are no such thing as stores in other states or cities or whatever the case. So I'll pack every medicine in case something goes wrong. I pack 50 pairs of pants. I'll be somewhere for like 2 days and I'll pack like 20 outfits for whatever reason, I don't know. So I'm gonna show you guys my lashes before and you can see how straight they are, and then I will show you the after. I don't know if I already said this, I'm filming on my phone because I forgot to put my SD card back in my camera, so I can't record anything on my camera. So yeah. Here are my lashes before. As you can see, they like stick straight. Okay, I just got here, so let's head in. Okay, here is the after. I am so happy because now when I put on mascara, they will already stay up and I don't have to worry about curling them, because when I do curl them, they fall back down. I am back from my lash appointment. I just got piata. It is so yummy. If you've never had it before and you have one by you, I highly recommend trying it. So good. It's basically like Italian street food, so it's almost like an Italian Chipotle. You can like make bowls, pasta bowls, or wraps, and they are so good. Here are my lashes. They look so good. I'm so happy that I could finally have lashes that are like already curled, and when I put on mascara, they just look so much better. So yeah, I highly recommend trying one of these out if you haven't already. As an esthetician that does lash lifts, I always recommend making sure your lashes are super healthy and using a serum to kind of lengthen them, because it gives you more to work with and that will then give you like better results. So yeah, I cannot wait to do my makeup, but you can't wear makeup for 24 hours, so I'm just waiting until tomorrow and then I'm gonna put on mascara and you guys will see how good they look. Okay, this is everything I have packed so far. So I'm gonna bring this thicker flannel for when it gets like chilly, and then this is the 2-piece set that I showed in my last haul, in my last vlog, and it's just this really cozy waffle knit pants and matching shirt. So I thought I could wear that like casual or to bed or whatever. And then I'm gonna bring these slippers just in case I want to be extra cozy. Then right here I just have 2 white long sleeves and 2 black long sleeves, and then I'm gonna pack a pair of leggings. That way I just have pretty easy casual outfits that, because we're pretty much gonna be either outside or in the cabin, like we're not doing anything too crazy. So I'm just bringing those. This is my makeup bag that I'm packing. It has a little bit of skincare and makeup, so that's everything. I have like socks and my bathing suit in this bag that I'm taking just because there is a hot tub. So this is the bag and I love it. It's from Amazon and it fits a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna put all of this in the bag and then that'll be it for today's vlog. I will vlog the cabin trip, so please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!